That's a bounce. Mm-hmm. SoFi announced quarterly earnings of 6 cents per share, beating expectations by 50%. Let's go, SoFi. Let me see. Should have played along on y'all. Okay, SoFi. We up. Damn, I should have bought some more. It was just $11. It's $13 now. I still can. Oh, here we go. YouTube is not annoying. Oh, we got a wick coming in. We have a wick. Here we go. Oh, wow. Actually, come on, YouTube. What are you doing? Ketchup, mustard. SoFi. Earnings call starts now. Open Robinhood. Listen live. Every time I try, it never works. I would love to listen in. Maybe I gotta do it online. Let me see. Am I? We up in SoFi. I think that's my little baby. My little baby right now. They beat earnings by 50%. See, every time I try to listen in, it just loads forever. My hair is wild. Oh, it's letting me listen. Event registration. Oh yeah, I gotta create an account. One login for all your investor events. Let me finally create an account, I guess. Let me write it. All right. Oh, there it is. I have been in here before. Last year. Ah, high or low. Think I need to cut this. Means we are invalidated on this 15-minute. What? Oh yeah, we green. So we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. Trying to. Let's see how this next candle opens. I don't know if a biscuit either. Was in it for the break. It is for some continuation. Really dumped, pull back. Seeing if we was gonna continue lower. The buyer said no, 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 no. I'm gonna pull this back. Do we got a cup of handle? What? 300 million? What? I'm telling you, so far. You'll see on the 15-minute up here. Candle did not invalidate. No bear. What? Yeah, blue owl. Didn't have to cut my trade, it looks like. We'll just hold it. If we need to cut it again, we will, but what are we doing? Oh, that's why. I'm like, why? What's going on? Who I got in here with me? Listening to a SoFi earnings call, conference call right now. I mean, they pretty much said what I needed to hear them say. Growth. And they plan on continuing to grow. And they are doing good and raising a lot of money. And signing deals. Level 2 option. What's SoFi up right now? It's up 2.48% pre-market. I need to check my emails because Apex, what they got going on? What do they have going on? What is going on? Good morning, good morning. Not morning, though. Great rising. Hope all is well. Oh, they got another flash sale. Apex got another flash sale. This is how you stack them accounts for 16 bucks. April 20. What is, oh. I thought they had another flash sale. I caught that. Damn, I ain't check my, yeah, you check my emails every day. What? What? So far, talking good. Helping they credit, they borrowers. Having program. I'm about to go see what they got going on. I've been one, so anyway. I'm investing in them, why not? You know, can't really be doing dumb shit. Dumb stuff. I mean, wait. My caps lock on. Mm. So they getting users, and more users, new year. That's what's up. And those users are using every area of the program possible. What they offer. Where we going? Mm. 6 consecutive growth quarters so far I had. Trading one micro. Start the day, get warmed up a little bit, you know. If it goes well, then we start adding, trading ones and twos. 8:23 is the time. News. NFP Friday. Oh, we got GDP tomorrow. PCE. We got job openings at 10 today. There's always some news at between 10 and 2. Trade is going in our favor so far. We're loving it. Want to move my stop down. If it lets me. Got some buyers down here though. So we'll see. What? 100? What? High or low? Putting in here, looks like. Buyers won't let us go lower. Nice. You gotta have good credit to give us so far. $8.28. Oh, let me move this. $8.30. They might try something. Put my stop back up where it was way up here though. I forget where it was. Way high. We'll manually stop out if we need to. $8.29. Goodness. See how this next 15-minute candle opens to let us know if we need to cut it or not. Within like the first 3 to 5 minutes of that candle. Wait, what? Bulls are trying to step in. Still bears are there. Got a little wick. That makes sense. Oh. Ooh, nice. Buyer stepping in. This candle. All right, we did this last time. I should have cut it down here. We want. $4.50, $3.98. SoFi gonna be big. They're just expanding. Look, I'm trying to flip bullish on this 15-minute. What you gonna do? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's me. Flipping bullish. Should have took that 60 when it was there. Higher low put in for the bounce. That classic move NASDAQ likes to make. Might send us, is it gonna send us the view out? Person to person? Or sorry. How to spend less than you make. Right. What? What? Oh. Looking at 5 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. They try to flip bullish. These bulls are bulls stepped in. Goodness. Let's see how much I'm missing. I changed my. Oops. Ah. I exited out the call right before the Q&A. Oh. Come on. Well, that sucks. I can't hear anything. Oh man, guys. What? And I do not know how to get back to it without having a notification. Well, that sucks. Let me go to my notifications. No, let me go to my share. Shit. Oh, join live earnings call. Ah. But they are. Oh, there it is. All right, this 15 minutes just kind of went green on the. But I mean, we can see where we coming. I had $200 stop. I don't know if I want to hold it. Let me just open it and see what it does. Just because I got to see what this 15-minute does. Bulls, bulls, bulls. Or I could cut it. That's a higher low. BY. 2 minutes, 37 seconds. Really, the trade was invalidated once it flipped green. Down here. Kind of. But I cut my trade earlier and did that. And it was... It just scared me out of my position. 100%. Trading micros. That put me already down 100 for the day. Yeah, I think I should cut it. No. Yeah. I got some buyers stepped in, didn't we? Is this real? Or are they just, you know, doing what they do? That's nice and bullish. That nice W. Bull cycle on a 3 minute. 15 minute is still bearish. So I'm trying to see if 15 is gonna flip or if it's gonna hold. If it'll come back down. If not, we cut it. If it flips bullish. The MACD, that is. Wait, what did he say? Oh, that's bullish. I'm cutting it. That's nice and bullish. But we'll see if the sellers push it back down. Do you want to try long here? That's bullish. Give it a second. Down 120 on the morning. This is the entry was down here, but this is a nice candle that just came in. Probably just push us here. I actually probably could have stayed in. I don't know. We'll see. Do 15 minutes back to back. Let me see. Interesting. Interesting. We got VWAP here. Damn, did I have to cut that? Let me think. I don't know. We'll see. We got some supply here. MACD is trying to. Right. I mean, the way this candle came in. What time is it? 8:47. I ain't had to cut it. Come on. A little sleepy. You son of a bee. Biscuit eater. Look at that. I ain't. Well, we got a wick just came in. Damn it. We got a wick that just came in. That's why I had a stop loss, right? Let's see. Let's see. Why didn't I look at the 5 minute? Same trade. Same freaking trade. Should have took that 60 it gave me when I had it. Let me see. Let it bounce. Because we just flushed. Let me see. 3 minute, 5 minute. 15 minutes is playing with me right now. Wait a minute. He's smaller. Let me see. Oh, we got PLC. Got PLC down there. That's why. That's support for sure. For now. That's why we bounced. Well, this is nothing like yesterday, huh? What are they doing? All right. PLC. Yes, I was. Yep. I think I was late. I think I got on. I don't. Yeah, I was on though. I was on yesterday. They didn't give you the notification again. I thought you was one of my people in there. I was gonna text you too. Oh, that sucks. Why aren't they giving you the notification? You sure the bell is on? I don't know why. I have to just text you every morning. I was gonna text you too anyway and ask were you there, and then I was like, she said she's one of the ones, even if it's only one. So I thought. I had a good day yesterday. I think I didn't. Obviously these trades form after 10:30, and that's when I pretty much around the time I get off alive. And so, but I had a good day. Holding the trades. I took a couple trades. Made $839 yesterday. These buyers are down here. I knew this was all right. This is support. Got to get through that. This was my target here from the. I never had to cut that trade, but part of the game. I didn't know the 15-minute was like doing what it's doing now. So that just means there's buyers trying to step in. This might have to be some quick scalps to get back. I'm gonna losses because they're battling around this area. Oh. Yep. Another bounce. Accumulating buyers down here. Full cycle. I can't stand when I get these kind of trades. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going to lie. Usually trading in this range instead of catching the bottom and the top of it. Ugh, and I'm stuck. Not a good start. Two, what is that? 2 losers or 3? 2. 1 loser. The second one was a winner. Let it turn loser. Yeah, so. Which I didn't have to. Uh-oh. Does that set the tone? Yep. Yeah, it was a good day. But I'm down 161 today. Well, 120 realized. 160. Well, the other 40s unrealized. I'm in that trade, but I'll get it together. I just gotta get on the right side of the market. Probably just need to wait for open here. Let some things establish. Let them handle their old business, new business, whatever. And then, you know, find a trade to hold while I'm out working. Honestly, to find these trades pre-market, I need to be getting up. Like, I need to be on the charts like 5, 6 a.m. And trade like that. Other than that, I need to wait until about 10:30. Just right now, the market. That's how the market is right now. There's different cycles, but right now, yep. You can scalp the first 15 minutes and the first hour, but those cleaner moves come after that. So that's part of the game, you know, recognizing what market cycle you're in. And I haven't been able to make money a lot like that between 8 and 10:30. Because at 8, we're either like the move has already happened and we're doing something like this. And then 9:30 to 10:30 is New York sessions, first hour. And then after that, you get some movements. If you are going to get any movement. I think I'm done listening to these people. I heard enough. Sounds good. Kind of sideways. Excuse me. Kind of sideways on this 15 minute. As we can see here. And that's what's kind of getting me in and out of trades. So I need to just take the profits and run. Question is where? Do we break this? Do we go for another low or what? I want to pull this. See if we flash. Quick scalp. I'm gonna get back in and take it to break this low. Got 2 minutes. Yeah, I knew it was gonna do that. Should have helped. It's alright. Down $92. Take some quick scalps to get back, break even, and then relax a little bit. See if we take this wick out. Right here. Actually, let it open. I wonder why it's not letting you know when why it's not giving you a notification. Run the wick, NASDAQ. Gotta see that. It was like, yeah, we're gonna make you think it's come on, don't do that if you're doing that. Okay. You got it today? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, well, no, that doesn't matter. I have no clue. Sometimes YouTube does that to me now that I think about it. Sometimes I get it. I don't know what it is. Like for other, like if I have like somebody's going live or something. Speak or something. Quick scalp for like 20, I don't know. Net down $65 from 92. Try to get that back real quick and then, like I said, chill out. It's 8:59. I want to find a trade to hold. But my goodness. Markets is just, it's just clustered everywhere. Where we are. Move this stuff away. Kind of just here. Doing this. This is a major level of support and resistance for the last since the 24th. It has some resistance here, support, so that guess I should put a line there, huh? So we can know somewhere around that area. Oh, that's what we were just bouncing at, huh? Sure is. Oh, and it just keeps going, so I could have held my trade. Oh yeah, this is bearish. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. The 15 minutes came in the way they were supposed to. They're behaving, acting like they got some sense. We got where we at? Way down here. Point of control down there. All right, nice sell off here. FOMO is real. I'm not waiting 14 minutes. I know that. Let me see. This 5 minute just started. 3 minute. 2 minutes. Or 3 minutes. All right, I gotta wait. Well, okay, so my original buy is that original trade, the first trade I just never had to get out of it. I got out of it up here, went short I think it stopped me out again here. Then I went short again. Same trade, same bias. Gave me what I wanted. Sometimes the market just turns you around like that. They do a good job of making you think. Making you think you don't know what you're talking about, and making you think that you know what you're talking about. Who to trust? Come on. Oh yeah. This is looking nice. This is looking nice and bearish. We could bounce though. I'm about to get in. Don't do what I do. Do not do what I do. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come on, just give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. Any little pullback. We kind of. Let me put some lines here for these 30-minute charts. We already touching that one. Yikes. 14 seconds after this candle. Am I getting in? Let me see. The 15-minute is 2 minutes left on a 5-minute. 5-minute MACD is nice and bearish. Look at the volume coming in. Taking it. Look at the volume coming in. Might have to sit through a little bit of drawdown. Or it can go right now. We don't know. But this MACD on the 15-minute. More volume coming in. MACD is bearish on the 3-minute. Again, we need to scubby. Get this money back that we lost. And then focus on holding a trade later in the day. That was 29 it gave us. We didn't take it. Not being greedy, just I got all these lines on my chart. Just trying to figure out what are we doing. Let's see if we can go take this level out. Wait, you got too close. See if we can take this first bounce before it. Excuse me. Let's see what it does. Yeah. All right, $47 in the money. 49 down. Let's. All right, come on. Let me trail this a little bit. Just flush a little more. Go on, flush. Flushy. There it goes. Give me like go. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't you dare. You gonna pull back on me. I knew it was gonna pull back, but I wanted to flush first. $22. Down $22. Only needed $2 when I was whatever. Alright, down $22 on the day. And 70 cents. This is nice and bearish. Look at the bear showing up. Oh, y'all need to stop. Look at the MACD and look at the cloud. Look at the moving averages. Look at the VWAP. Look at everything. Look at the RSI. Why are they selling off? Let's look at the daily. Well, this is the daily. Just like what we look at on a 1 minute, right? Imagine this is a 1 minute. But it's the daily. We found support here. Darn it. I can't do that, can I? Shit. All right, 1 second. Let me change this real quick. Let me save my changes. So I can't draw on it without all right, here is M and Q. I just don't have the chart. Let me let me set the charts up. Canvas. Yeah, why? Yeah, how? No. Wait, I don't want to do that. How do I get that off of there? I forget how to oh, yikes. Events alert. I thought it was on the key. Alright, whatever. I'm not about to. So this is MNQ. This is the daily. The red candles are white, remember? It's a whole nother chart, so. Yikes. Alright, 1 second. Here we go. The red candles are white. This is the daily, just like what we're looking at on the 1 minute. We put in a low, we put in a higher low. And price came up and is now at this level of previous support. Just like on the 1 minute, here's support, here's a little resistance, here's resistance. So we're trying to turn that previous resistance into support again. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and it's just ongoing cycles. Support, support turn resistance, resistance. Now they're trying to turn resistance into support after getting a higher low. So what we do here is the question. And that's what NASDAQ, that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. We had all this bullish momentum in here. We could potentially come back and test the high here from the 23rd before bouncing and sending us higher. Or we can go lower. Nobody knows what's going to happen. You just watch the markets. Trade what you see. Am I missing? Did I miss something? Did I miss the move? Tell me I did. That was a nice sell-off, y'all. That was my trade. You see how they shook me out of that? I was looking at the 15 minute. I was like, oh, this nice. They put in that fake W. It's not really even a W. When it's a W, it's gonna be a W, not this. Oh, it looks like a W. Yeah, they lying. They know what we be looking for. They know what we're looking at. My cousin said, he's so funny. Oop, I spelled that wrong. broke that level going for the next 30-minute low. We're selling off here. Selling off here, people. We break that, then we got an empty pocket to test yesterday's lows. Oh, this is really invalidated. Take that off. Take that off. You should turn this. That's the name of the beat. You should. No, you should turn this. With all due respect. I respect it. All right, 1 second. Going to give me some granola. All right. Just building support at one of these levels here. Look like they trying to fill up the gas to go lower. Excuse me. I get more sellers in is what I mean by that. Fill up the train with sellers and then take off. Is that better? Oh no, it's supposed to be thunderstorming today. That sucks. The market's open in 9 minutes. What are we down? Like $20 on the day? $22.70. We were down 120. That trade stopped us out at like 50 some dollars. It was at 60 and we were down like negative $2 and some change, and realized try to capture it all to get us back break even so that we can just wait for the next trade, but it's all good. Focus on the process, we'll get it back. If the market presents the opportunity and we take advantage of it, of course. Beep, 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 beep. Waiting for the markets to open up. Nothing is happening. They're not running away from us. No, you try to catch the train and it's running away from you with how they do in the movies. That is not happening. Just relax. Trading is boring. No continuation, maybe. What are we looking at though? MACD trying to curl up on the 3-minute. The 15-minute MACD is bearish. Our side on the 15-minute is below. What are we below? We're below 20. Wait a minute. Why is my levels? It puts us at 25. Wait a minute. What did they do to my they messed up my settings? It has my why does it have it at 30 and 70? 30 and 70 is what, you know, most people have it at, but I have mine set at 20 and 80. So there it is. We're at, all right. So we're below neutral on the RSI, 15-minute and 3-minute. So bearish. It's pointing up on the 3-minute, going towards neutral. MACD trying to curl up, and that's this bullish divergence that you are seeing here. Cloud is bearish, so conditions are bearish. We are below the VWAP, the 100-day moving average, estimated moving average, the 9 EMA, and we're rejecting off the 9 EMA, and we're below the 21 EMA. So some mixed things going on, and that's because the conditions are bearish. Obviously bearish conditions, and you are seeing a bullish divergence. So you see the MACD trying to curl up and give us a bull cycle. How far could that bull cycle go? That's what we always need to wait for. Those are called the retracements. Right? So you can retrace up to this level or lower, or just break this level or reject off of that level. You never know. So you just wait for it, wait for the confirmation, wait for the turnaround to give us continuation, or wait for a break in market structure to let us know that we are in fact reversing and going higher. But I'm taking trades based off the 3-minute and the 15-minute. And so the 15-minute, we have 2 minutes and 46 seconds left in this candle. That to me is overall bearish. 15-minute is overall bearish. This is what it looks like. So we have a bullish divergence right now. And so on this 15-minute candle, you see it bouncing. But the MACD is bearish. The RSI is below neutral. We're below the moving averages. Cloud is bearish sideways. So conditions basically are bearish. But again, we're seeing a bullish divergence. So we wait. I'm not going to enter in short on these pullbacks because the market opens in 2 minutes. I'm not sure what their sense, like what their, you know what do they want to do? That's a good question, huh? Better get ready. I need Apex message to email me back, because I don't understand where my information went. Market's open in 45 seconds. There is a delay, so by the time I'm saying that, I'm not sure how long the delay is. 4 seconds, 8 seconds, I'm not sure. Court, you in here with me? Trading NQ futures. You in here? What's going on? Who we got today? Take this orange line off. We have yesterday's low here at this dotted green line. So we're below yesterday's close. So we're opening inside range, outside of value. I'm about to read that book again. It was so fresh in my mind, like quarter 3 last year. After I read it and the markets was giving me more of what I read. And then the conditions changed. And now we're in quarter 2 and they're back. So I'm like, you know, yeah, I'm gonna read that book today. I'm gonna listen to the audiobook all day while I work. You're wondering what book is Market Wizards. Oh, you know what? I said I was gonna start a book club. I am like kind of like a book club on this channel for traders on what books I read and what's helped me, like as far as like understanding finances and how money works in the markets. I'm gonna do that. Just put out little like few minute videos with the book and what I got from it. You know, and that way if you're interested, you can check it out. I'll leave a link in the video so you can access it quicker, or you could just go, you know, look it up. It's up to you. It will be an affiliate link though, I will say that. Go ahead and affiliate that. All right, so see what we did. We came up, we tested these levels that we wanted to break earlier, that trade that I let it spook me out of twice. Well, I let it spook me out of once. The second time I was stopped out when I stopped too soon, and then we took advantage of it. I love those trades like that because wicks always get run. No matter when, right? So like this wick that was just, when it was formed, it was just hanging out there. At some point, we got to go down and take price below it. And so I love those trades. Market has been open for 2 minutes now. Sorry, guys. But y'all knew that already. My review? What do you mean? Wait, of the markets? That's a nice review of the markets. I don't know, honey. I was just running my mouth. Or the book review. Oh, the books, yeah. Got you. Yeah, I've read a lot of books. As a matter of fact, I haven't even gotten a lot done this year. How many did I read last year? I made a post. I had counted the books. It was a lot. It's like 50 books. Was it 50? I don't know. Most of them are ebooks though, because obviously, you know, I'm working, but since I got that time, turn my vehicle into like a mobile education hub on wheels or whatever, you know, just educating myself. 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, however long I'm in the car, just educating myself so that I can get here. Late nights, early mornings, sleepy, still do it now, just getting closer to the payouts so that I can, you know, do what I need to do what I want to do. Everything requires sacrifice. Sometimes, you know, that sacrifice could be time. It could be your time. What are you willing to give? Just don't give your soul. What profit a man to gain the world but lose his soul, right? We don't want to do that. This is what I was doing earlier. All right. Buyers and sellers, which way do we go? I wish we would get away from all these lines. Sometimes I just... I mean, I could have it to where I got lines on my left side and not my right, but... the right, not the left. But that doesn't help me any. I can't do that. You don't want to do that. Buyer stepping back in. You know, it's NASDAQ. I scheduled my stuff. Oh, okay. Slow market open, huh? Same thing as yesterday, just kind of up and down slowly. Nope, you want to sacrifice for the Most High. For sure. And He'll provide you. No moves yet. The markets are boring, I'm telling you sometimes. You just gotta wait. Sit on your hands. We ain't doing nothing. Look at this. Sitting below yesterday's close. Yesterday's low is down here. Yesterday's high is up here. Yesterday's open is here. So yesterday's value area is a pretty tight range, which is the orange line, orange dotted line to the yellow dotted line. And right now we're handling business right below that. So MACD is bullish, trying to flip bearish. RSI is bearish. Cloud is bearish. Over averages. Or below the moving averages. I'm looking. I want to get short, but I'm just want to wait. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. Got 5 minutes and 30 seconds on this 15-minute candle. Up and down, up and down. Make you bullish, making you bearish. Now market makers are trying to make you bullish. That's a nice bounce. I think I got some blueberries in there. I just be munching. That's why. Eat and trade. That's what my title should be. Eat and trade. Yeah, because sometimes the markets are boring. All right, MACD flip bearish. I mean bullish. On the 3-minute, it's still bearish. On the 15-minute, this 15-minute came in kind of bullish, but we got some little wicks there. Trying to push it up. I need something solid. I need my safety. I need something solid. Right? MACD's crossed up, but look. I mean, price moved above them. What am I talking about? The price moved above the EMAs, the moving averages. But as you can see, they didn't cross. So usually when that happens, what I see is price will come back down below it or come back to test it. Basically, it's not a true move. But when you see price cross like this here, when you go back and study the chart, when you notice that price crosses at the same time that a candle crosses through it, that's so strong. Whichever way the cross goes, then you know it's official. Like, and then here, even though that was a green candle, you can, it's the cross. It's the 21. It's the 9 crossing below the 21. So the smaller crossing below the larger. And when the larger crosses up above the smaller, then that is what did I say? When the larger when the larger crosses up below, I'm sorry, when the larger crosses below the smaller, like this, that's the uptrend. When the smaller crosses below the larger, the downside, that's a downtrend. It's so confusing to say. But when it's pointing down and the larger is on top, smaller is on bottom, that's bearish. If the larger is on the bottom and the smaller is on top and it's pointing up, that's bullish. So larger on top, bearish. Larger on bottom, bullish. Backwards. But anyways, you can go all through the charts and see that. Because sometimes you get these crosses and, you know, they're just not valid. So you got to use other confluences with them. Other indicators to let you know. And the momentum that comes with it. Because see here it crossed. We popped up, but then we reversed back down. But if you look left, we had, that was a supply area because it was previous support. So, oh, this is bullish. They want to go higher, but do they have the power? Let me see. This is nice and bullish. 30 seconds. The candle been open. Let me see. Where do we want to go? $15 minutes left on an hour. And this 15-minute candle. Let me see. 30 minutes. Yeah, I missed it. That's the 15-minute candle. This is bullish. I had doji on the day. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Well, what am I waiting for? What am I waiting for? It's bullish. We're below VWAP. Let's see if we break above it. Find support at it, or if we reject from it. But this bull cycle just fired up, baby. We're still bearish on a 15-minute MACD, but sorry, I keep bumping my mic. But it's trying to flip. It hasn't flipped yet, so. Just gotta watch them go up without us. I can't take it. I can't take it. FOMO. FOMO. Oh my God. Yep. It went. Some said just get in. But I did it. But the 15-minute, the MACD hasn't flipped yet. But this 15-minute candle is bullish. But the moving averages haven't really crossed yet. So obviously it's testing this level here. Just want something cleaner. The MACD, the cloud is still bearish. That was a nice scalp. That was definitely a nice scalp. That I didn't take advantage of. But I don't want scalps. I want to hold it. So we're in yesterday's value area right now. Nice and bullish. Man, it takes some. I want to push the button. Y'all don't understand. Oh, but I gotta follow the process. Especially now, buying at the top like this. My internet acting crazy. YouTube. What's going on? My internet just dropping frames and then picking them up. I'm sorry, guys. It's out of my control. Nothing I can do about it. Everything else is restarted. I can't restart it. What time was this before? Am I supposed to like Oh, nice breakout. Still bullish. Rejection. I am so sorry. My internet is acting like this. It's beyond my control. Man, we just blasted through that major support level. Get rid of that. Support resistance. Where? That thing ran right through that. All right, giving us a nice initial balance range so far of about 100 points, 150, 148 points, maybe somewhere around there. Look at my face froze on there like that. Why? YouTube, stop it. Got me froze on there. Like, I'm sorry, guys. If my stream ends, I'll start it back up for another half hour. I am not shorting yet. Even though they're making you want to short. We are testing VWAP. We did get some rejection up here, but let me see. MACD is bullish. MACD is bearish. Gotta wait. I need to set up. Testing the VWAP and 100-day moving average. RSI is above neutral. MACD is bullish. Cloud is bearish. Bullish, bearish. Cloud is bullish. Trying to flip bullish. Got some bull momentum into the market. So the cloud is slightly bullish. MACD is bullish. RSI is bullish. We're above the moving averages. 15-minute MACD. Still in bear territory. RSI is below neutral. And we are sitting right above the 21 EMA. I don't have VWAP on here. Yikes. Oh, VWAP is the same, so sitting at VWAP. Got a POC up here on the 15-minute chart. What will they do? 10 o'clock, the 10 o'clock top of the hour is coming up. Get my stream in. Oh. All right, some more sellers stepping in here. This candle trying to push down on this 15-minute candle. Nice, nice. Wait, what? Oh. Hey, I got my first 95 subscribers, y'all. Help me out. I need 5 more. Why? Just to get to that 100. I lost my viewers cause my stream. It's alright. We'll get them. We're getting it. We'll get them. We can have something to look back on. Our first 100. Yay! So YouTube can say congratulations. You got your first 100 subscribers. Took a little second. Bullish continuation here. 2 minutes into this 15-minute candle closes. Do we go long? Do we go short? So what? We got a doji on the day. Let me see. Somewhat, yep. Kind of a wide body doji so far. Neutral. Price action so far. Meaning the bulls and the bears are neutral. Same amount of selling and buying going on. So we're it's kind of stuck in the middle of that. Pushed it up. You're looking at the daily. We pushed it down. We opened here, pushed it down, pushed it back up, pushed it up, pushed it down. We're sitting around here right now. We do have somewhat of a body though, so that wind sounds like somebody trying to come to my back door. All right. A minute left. Minute 42 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. I just want to see what they're trying to do here. It's really this is just, what is this? What kind of, whatever it is, whatever happened. All right, some sellers stepping in. See how this next candle comes in. What are we doing, Marcus? What are we doing? We got some news coming out here. Jolts is coming out at 10. Oh. I checked it earlier, but I forgot. Jolts is the job openings. Job openings and labor turnover survey. Non-farm establishment. So that's what it did to the market. What did it come in at? It's a little slight dip lower. Prior was 7.48 million. Forecast was 7.48 million. Actual was 7.192 million. So it came in less than expected. In the United States, job openings refer to all positions that are open, not filled, on the last business day of the month. So the JOLTS assesses the demand for labor in the U.S. labor market and gained attention in 2014. Blah blah blah. That's not. You don't need that. So it assesses the unmet demand for labor in the U.S. labor market. So I guess the unmet demand coming in lower than this, wouldn't that be good though? Meaning they met more than expected. Oh, or is it that means they met less than expected? I don't know, but it came in lower. Let me think about it for a second. Unmet 7.487. Yeah, it came in better, right? Still bullish. Last week was such a great week to capitalize and take advantage of some of those moves, but it's all right. I did, but in a smaller way, playing defense. Hindsight is 2020, but last week really produced a lot of great moves in the market for me to be able to trade and take the same trades in this account and either one of my other evals to pass them. So I'm looking for that opportunity as well. We get some good movement. Probably won't do that until after a couple more days, after the 5th, when I can spend a little more time sitting here. All right, but we'll step back in. They're gonna push us higher. Wait, what? Oh. Man, they don't knock it off. Apex unless they rapping. Ooh, nice breakout. What am I doing? Nice breakout. Nice and bullish. Nice and bullish. They want me to chase it. 918. Maybe some reaction to that news, late reaction. I'm not sure. I liked it the way this 15-minute candle opened up. Oh, we finally flipped bullish. We flipped bullish on the MACD on the 15-minute. All right, let me start. Trying to look for a long. Overbought on the, not overbought. We're in the 70s, kind of overbought. We're in the 70s on the RSI. The 3-minute, but that does not necessarily. Let's see. Let me get in to go test yesterday's high. I don't want to hesitate too much. Just to test yesterday's highs. See if we take them out. MACD is actually, let me see. Wait a minute. I gotta manage this trade live, real time, because I did not study it. Let me push this up just to lock in some gains to bring us positive if I got a call. If it stops us out, but I need to look on this 15 and see where we actually are trying to go. Damn, I didn't want to get stopped out. I wanted to hold that. Where are we trying to go? Yesterday's high. Get back in. Get back in, because I still want to take out yesterday's high, but I wanted to. Oh, why is this not letting me? Oh, let me see something. Yesterday's high. And then above that. Wait a minute. Above that, we got a cluster up there. So yeah, we got that daily support and resistance zone. Pulling back pretty good on this right there. All right, let's see how far we can go. We got some levels up there, but we need some power to get there. We'll see what the market does. Got a daily. We definitely can get there. Just move this out my way. It's in mine. I'm gonna, you know, my take profit, but I'm probably gonna take profit before that. Depending on these, we got some sellers coming in. It's 15-minute. Depending on how this plays out, got a nice breakout of that sloping resistance. You want to stop me out? Come back, probably test this level is what it wants to do. Maybe I need to open this trade up. Let me open it up. Let me open it up to see. Because looking at the 15, we could come slightly lower. We could come slightly lower than where I have my stop in all actuality. I mean, we could come anywhere in there to test. I really don't want to hold it that long. Yeah, they want to pull back more. All right. Or now, let's see. Time is 10:09. They're going to do the famous 10 o'clock reversal after they just broke out. Well, I was positive. We'll see. Because I don't know if this thing is going to retest and bounce. We literally entered at the top now. Probably should have cut it, but now I got to see if this pullback, if we're going to pull back to that level and bounce, or if we are going to pull back and go deeper. It was just a bull trap. Which is why I should have waited. But like trying to, you know, make decisions on the fly quickly. But I really want to hold this. If we are, let me see with the 30-minute. If we are higher throughout the day, I do not mind it coming back somewhere around my stop. Not stopping me out and then going. Like, I don't mind holding it through that. But if it stops me out and then goes, obviously I'm going to be a little upset. Alright, yeah, that was the wrong entry, obviously. Kind of knew it, though. I couldn't help it. I mean, I knew to wait for the pullback, but let me see, 7. Let's see. Talking myself through it real quick. So we're still bullish. We flip bullish. We're still bullish. Got a pullback. Gonna be a deep pullback because of that breakout. You know what? Let me see something. Does it even want to test that area again? So the trades that I take, let's see. $200.